Now 380, huh?
Now 380. But I will see. We have vertical turbine, V660.
660.
380, 660.
I not say 660.
In vertical turbine, there is a 380 and 380 and 660. But that one, for example, 380, that is delta connection. But if Y delta, if only this is DOL, direct, I mean